Hello everyone, now I am on the ChatGPT website, and as you can see I have two options, GPT 3.5 and GPT-4. But first, in order to enable GPT-4, you first need to go to your user, to your My Plan, and then here you need to make sure that you're a ChatGPT Plus user and that you pay $20 a month for this service. If you're not and you do want to be a ChatGPT Plus user, just change your plan here. Now, this gives you an access to GPT-4, the newest model, a faster response speed, and access to the beta features like plugins and code interpreter. Okay, so GPT 3.5 is available for the free and plus users, and GPT-4 is available only for the plus users, and currently it has 50 messages every 3 hours. And as you can see here, you have three options: the default, the code interpreter, and the plugins. But first, in order to enable these two options, you have to go to settings and beta features and enable these two features here. Okay, so now we finished that and we go to GPT-4, and you can see GPT-4 default is similar to GPT 3.5 but with the capabilities of the GPT-4 model, the newer model. Or you can go to the code interpreter, where now you can upload files such as CSV files, Excel files, and Word documents, and so on. You can now go to the plugins, which is also another beta feature, where here you have 3 enabled plugins each time that you can choose. How do you install new plugins? You go to the plugin store, and here you can see the popular plugins, and for example you can install the Kayak plugin, which enables and helps you to search for flights, stays, and rentals through ChatGPT. Or you can go to the total plugins in the store, where you have over 100 pages with plugins. Now, some of the plugins may work well and some of the plugins may not, but it's up to you to see what works for you in your use case. Thank you very much, and I hope you like the content, and if you do, please follow me for more content about ChatGPT, GPT interpreter, and the plugins that I will cover more in the later lectures. Thank you very much.